Welcome. Today we have here TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. Black version with silicone strap. I actually just received it. I was eagerly waiting for this one. It's made by Mobvio with the Qualcomm 4100 chip. And obviously IP waterproof rating, Google Assistant built in, and Wear OS. The biggest thing in here, the reason I actually got this is the dual screen. Basically, there is a LCD screen on top and OLED underneath it. So let's open it and see what it looks like. Got a quick guide. For Android and iOS. There it is. Let's see what's in the box before we open it. The gel and the charging cable. This is the 3-pin charging cable, or 2-pin, sorry. It doesn't have a wireless charging. That's, I believe it's one of the drawbacks, but I did want to try it because wanted something different. So there's the watch. Got the sensors in the back, the charging connection right there. Let's peel this out. You need to download the TicPro app or TicWatch app on there, and let's power it on. This one doesn't have a rotating bezel here, similar to Samsung Gear or Galaxy Watch, but it's just a one that says 0 to 60 just to tell you the time. Just doing the quick settings so I can connect it to my phone. Need to download the Wear OS app. You can see it's already recognized the watch. It's trying to connect. So let's go over all the features.
Here I have started using the watch for about a day now, and it's when I started it was 79-80%. That's how much it was charged. Now it's down to 42. That's after a full day of use, or almost a full day of use, including while sleeping too. So let's go through all the different apps. The top right button, when you press it, it goes through all the apps. That's Tick apps, and obviously the Google Wear OS apps are in there. The first one is the Tick Health. Here you can basically follow all the different options there, which is the steps, your active hours, your sleep, exercise, pretty much all the health related stuffs are in the Tick Health app. You have to slide right to go back. That's the heart rate. Just now it automatically measures it, and there is a setting you can set it up to continuously monitor or monitor at wish, I should say. That's my sleep from last night. It's 8.5 hours. That's quite a lot for my typical sleep, but that's what it shows. I'm not sure how accurate it is. Here's a quick view of the heart rate. It's measuring it right now. It has been consistently fast, just a few seconds, and you get the heart rate measure, or even the oxygen measuring. Both of them have been consistent. This takes about like 20 to 25 seconds here. Now it's 88. Let's go back to Tick Breathe. It basically tells you how to breathe, inhale, exhale. Kind of might be useful for somebody, but at least I didn't. It's just to relax your stress levels. Then you have the Tick Night, and this is the oxygen measuring sensors that are located at the bottom of the watch. As you can see, it does, again, similar to the heart rate, it does it relatively quick. It will tell you if it is healthy. Basically, it's more of a guide rather than an actual thing. Right now it says 96% normal. The next one is the Tick Zen. It actually measures your stress level. If you're highly stressed, or if you're relaxed, whatever the levels are, high, medium, and low, it does measure it. It does take about a minute to do the whole thing. I'm just going to shorten the sequence here, but currently it's showing it as 16, which is relaxed based on the app. Not sure how accurate, again, this one is, but it is something definitely useful. It gives you various ratings, and it can measure it to you daily. This one's the Tick Hearing. It will measure the decibels, the sound around you. If it's too high, right now it's saying 84, 76. It's my TV volume's high, and it's kind of measuring it. As I reduce the volume, it goes up and down. You can see it on the screen. So something more of an app, useful maybe, but it's there if anybody wants to use it. The next one is the voice memo. This can be useful in a lot of situations where it will record any short memos and save it to your phone.
Today in Southern California, Orange County, it's really smoky and the air quality is really bad. You can smell the smoke from the new fire, Santiago fire. Hope everybody is doing okay and they get out of this safe. Today in Southern California, Orange County, it's really smoky there. Smell the smoke from the fire.
Next one here is a flashlight, and just to quickly show, it brightens your screen as you turn the app on and turn it off. Simple as that. Just might be useful in a theater or a dark room situation. Let's go into the settings and see what are all the different options. Start with the display. Change watch face. So you can see it comes built in with I believe around 25 watch faces, and you can choose from them. You can also download more from Google Play Store, or Tic has its own app. There's multiples, but a lot of them work and a lot of them don't. But again, it's a hit or a miss. The app's okay. Here I did most probably a software bug. I couldn't go back, so I had to basically restart the settings again. Might be something that they can figure it out soon. And we have the display. Adjust the brightness. You have bright, normal, and dim. Right now I have it as the brightest, so it's easy on the screen. Font size, always on display. This is something I have just turned it on, so you will have the always on display, and the LCD screen on top will not work. So it will be typical to Samsung or Apple watches, where you can set up your always on display in a different way than the typical LCD screen that this one comes with. The rest of the settings are very typical to Wear OS. There are some gestures. I tried it out. They're not the best. It doesn't always work. But again, these are all the general settings that you can use. It also comes built in with the Google Assistants. Basically, hold the power button for a second, and it will bring up the Google Assistant. You can basically do a Google search, and it's been consistently good. It's been recognizing all the voices and basically giving the search results. I'm trying to find the phone app. Just trying to see if it actually works, and it does here. You can see my phone's ringing. So that's my quick review. I've only had this for one day. So far, the battery life has been really good. Just drained down less than 50% while wearing it almost all the time, other than when I was in the shower. But again, I'm satisfied with the way it's performing for right now. Look forward for my full long-term review, maybe in about 3-4 weeks, so that way you'll know if this is a good purchase, and also help you make a decision. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and hit the like button.